Welcome to Purposefully AI. Today, we're diving into the AI video side hustle using a simple, powerful workflow. Businesses are currently paying between $30 and $100 per short-form video, and they don't even care if you touch a camera. This is a huge opportunity. Let's start with why short-form video is such a goldmine right now. Short-form content is absolutely everywhere. Businesses know they need short video content, but most cannot keep up. Shorts require volume, not perfection, and owners prioritize consistency over creativity. Plus, most business owners hate filming, and editing takes too much time. If you can deliver clean, on-brand short videos quickly, clients are happy to pay, even if everything is AI-generated. That's where this simple workflow comes in. Every short video starts with a script, and ChatGPT makes this part completely effortless. Here is the exact prompt to use. Write a 30-second YouTube short script about your topic. Ensure it starts with a strong hook, includes 3 quick value points, and ends with a simple call to action. Remember, you can adjust the tone depending on the client's needs, whether it's educational for coaches, promotional for brands, or motivational for creators. Once the script is generated, do a quick read-through for clarity, no heavy editing. Now it's time to turn that script into a finished video using Pictory. Open Pictory and choose the option to turn a script into a video. Paste in your ChatGPT script, select the vertical format, and let Pictory generate the visuals and captions automatically. Pictory intelligently matches stock footage to your text, adds subtitles, and syncs the pacing to the narration. You can swap any visual with one click, but often the first version is client-ready. Export the video, and you are done. That's how simple the creation process is. This is where the income becomes real. Let's look at common pricing and how to scale. Common pricing structures include $30 for 3 short videos, $75 for 10, or $200 to $500 per month for ongoing content. Clients want weekly output, not one-time work. You can find clients on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, through Instagram and TikTok direct messages, or by reaching out to local businesses and content creators. Delivery is simple. Create 1 Google Drive folder per client, name the files clearly, and deliver ready-to-post videos. Speed and reliability matter most. To truly scale, stop working video by video. Batch your work. Generate 10 scripts in ChatGPT, upload them all to Pictory, and export everything in one session. 1 focused hour can produce a full week of content for a client. That's the difference between a side hustle and a system, and that is the full workflow. The simple system is this. ChatGPT handles the scripts, Pictory creates the videos, and clients provide the payment. If you want the exact prompts, pricing checklist, and setup steps, download the free AI Money Starter Kit. The link is below. Subscribe to Purposefully AI for daily videos showing how to turn AI tools into real income. Next, I'll show you how to package this into a recurring monthly service.